Hello trader, this is midweek updated multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. As we have expected in our weekly forex forecast, the market to reverse from that zone. We can see the price almost has done exactly as expected, open with a gap, and in this lower time frame we see a clean uptrending market structure. At the moment, we can see the price is in a very good position for potential entry opportunity. Now, before we look at how we can trade, first again, review the bigger picture perspective in this market to see how the market is evolving from the higher time frame, and then we'll jump onto the lower time frame. So monthly, we can see that this is the first week of the month, as you know, that NFP week, and the market opened with a gap, tested the gap, and as expected there has been a bounce. As it is a bull market, we can see that there is significant buying pressure in this market, and with that buying pressure, expecting XAUUSD to potentially move back up to create a new higher high. This is the previous monthly high. Now, as this is significantly bull market, you could see that XAUUSD potentially going back up to fill that long wick at the top, which is in fact a pullback of this previous monthly move and expecting new higher high in this instrument. If we drop down to the weekly chart, we can see that this is the weekly price action that expected open with a gap, also created a higher low in that area, and with that higher low creation, we can see the market again moving back to the upside. Now, previous weekly breakdown was a huge drop here, which is more than 180 year candle and has crossed couple of weeks low. Now, this week, we can see that as soon as the market open, this is also what exactly expected in our analysis as well as in our weekly forex forecast. Guys, if you haven't watched that, also I would highly encourage you to watch that to understand now where the market might be heading to. As we can see, the market managed to uh, create a higher low here in comparison with the previous weekly low, which is a sign that strong bullish pressure in this market. And therefore, what I think that XAUUSD may continue to rise and potentially to create a new higher high in this market. If we drop down to the daily chart to see how the price might be doing now, from the daily here, we can see there is a daily bullish engulfer here, followed by another bullish candle. Previous day was significant bull candle, and we can see that previous daily candle has got long wick at the top, which is in fact a potential that we might see now the price to go ahead and fill that long wick, and we can see that a very healthy bullish candle, which is in fact we might see, as we have seen that there was a break of structure. This is what also we have expected in the previous analysis the market has done, and we can see the price is potentially forming a bullish channel here. And as this is a false breakdown, which is, there are many names here, liquidity gap false breakdown, or um, whatever name you want to give, the most important part here is that the market has crashed to the downside, opposite direction of the trend. In fact, we can see the price has broken below the 20 EMA, managed to bounce back up. What I think is potentially forming an inverted head and shoulder, which could be a preparation for potential further bullish trend for this market, and it may continue to rise in that way. Therefore, the bias highly to be bullish. Now, let's see that 1 hour price action, how the market is evolving here. We can see that gap is very clearly seen here, which is a reversal pattern formation here. We have seen the past week close here and then open with a gap, fill that gap, retest it, and the market managed to again bounce and creating series of higher high and higher low, which is in an uptrending market structure. Now, at the moment, what we see, the price forms series of higher low here, which is basically a double bottom formation. The price is broken to the support and then has managed to bounce. Currently, we can see there is a narrow pullback in that area, and what I think that the price may continue to rise as it is still showing that bullish market structure, and the trend structure is predictable, that we can see potentially to be upside here. And I think that in the first move from this, once the market will manage to break out from here, we can expect it to reach 2956 or even a new higher high, and to create a new all-time high. So this is where my eye is for the market to give us suitable entry opportunity. As soon as we will find suitable entry on XAUUSD, we'll be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also join free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video for more update as well as education that I'm posting to access every single day. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.